front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. And then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And to add any recent photo, click on it over here. If photo that you wish to add isn't recent, click on Folders instead and look for it over here. When you find it, tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!